back in '99. We made the move, we come up here and we said, this is it. I love this place. On a clear day, you could actually see the cars driving along the Blue Ridge Parkway. We have 4 good-sized bedrooms. It'd be 1, 2, and 1 downstairs, 3, and then the master bedroom. I like it all. I like the living room. I like the sound of the pond running. We absolutely love that pond. We had 30-some exotic fish in there. They were beautiful. That guest house was as important to us as our master bedroom. That's a great part of the reason we bought the place. I love to sit out on the balcony, have a glass of wine in the evening. That's my favorite time of the day. We do have a peacock here. He's the mascot of this whole hillside. I might mention that he goes with the house. Anybody that wants to buy the place, they'll love it here. That much I can guarantee.